Hello, welcome back to my channel. My name is Hedi and I post delicious, healthy and nutritious recipes. Today is obviously no different. We are making chocolate squares, or if you like chocolate sort of flapjacks. The idea is to use as little as the ingredients and get it all done in 20 minutes. So let's get started. The first ingredient, of course, my trusty bananas. Make sure you use really ripe bananas with lots of brown speckles, because that means they've got more sugar and they will make the squares much more easy to stick together. I'm using a blender, but you can use your hands. It's just much quicker and create a nice consistency. Second ingredients are oats. I'm just using a traditional porridge oats, also known as rolled oats. If you are allergic to gluten or a bit more sensitive, make sure you use certified. They are naturally gluten-free, but sometimes they get to be made in a factory where they're using other ingredients or other products that they might have gluten in it. We need 2 cups. Next ingredients to make it lovely and chocolatey is cacao or cocoa powder. I'm using approximately 2.5 tablespoons, but if you want to make it really chocolatey, go mad and use 3 or 4. Just be careful, if you're using raw cacao, it is slightly richer, it might make it a bit more bitter. So for today, 2 to 3 tablespoons. Ingredient number 4 is a dash of milk. I'm using unsweetened almond milk, but you can use rice milk, coconut milk, soya milk, whatever milk you fancy. This is just to keep it all nice together. Last but not least is your sweetener. I'm using maple syrup, but you can use brown rice syrup, honey, date syrup, whatever you fancy, just to make it a little bit sweet and again help to stick together. Also, don't forget to preheat your oven to approximately 170 degrees and also to grease your baking tin. I'm just going to grease it with the traditional coconut oil, bit of tissue, just like that, or you can use your hands and just to give it a bit of a... That helps for the bars not to stick to your pan. If you have a silicone one, that's great to use as well, and you don't actually need to grease it. Right, now let's get blending. It. Let's have a look. Lovely. You might need to scrape the sides, but this is the sort of consistency we're looking for. Beautiful chocolate butter. Spread the mixture evenly to get nice even bars. Now we're going to pop it in the oven for around 15 minutes. 15 minutes later, take it out of the oven and let it set aside for, let's say, 15 to 20 minutes to cool down. Then we are ready to slice it up and serve. Voila, your chocolate flapjack or chocolate squares ready to be enjoyed. And with only 5 simple ingredients. Enjoy. And I almost forgot. Don't forget to subscribe. See you next time.